people, I am sat in the van. It's Monday afternoon, and you know, I've done the video about the heater I was going to install, but I said I wasn't going to do it until I put a bed in here. And at the time I was and ahhing whether I was going to make a bed or whether I was going to buy one and yeah, just do it that way. Anyway, choice was made. What do you think of this? Believe it or not, I did not make this. It's a flat pack. It come from a company called Camperlux on eBay and also their own website, and I tell you what, it is so well made, top quality. I've had to make a couple of adjustments on it because it was just a bit too wide. I knew it would be, so what I've had to do is cut away here so it just slips over here and cut this corner. But what will actually happen is these pull out like so. And there you have a nice double bed. Not bad, is it? I had to take away my storage shelf on the right side so it would go over. As you see, it just fits over the wheel arch. Lovely. Yeah, these just slide back like so, and then underneath you got little lockers for storage. What will be under here will be the heater, as I said, and that one will be bits and pieces. I've still got room to get possibly 2 bikes in with a bit of a squeeze, as long as I top to tail them, and everything else we need. I was contemplating about taking this panelling off so these go back a little bit further, but that's as far as they go back anyway, so there's no need for that. Which actually, because it's handy, it allows that to go up and this pull forward so I can get to the storage underneath. Not bad. I paid, I think it was 220, something like that, through eBay. So they've got their own website. They make different sizes. This is a 5'4" long and like a 4 foot wide. Easy to get 2 people on it. It's quite sturdy. You see me put my big backside on it. As I say, the quality build of this is really, really good. I'm really pleased with this. And if you've done flat pack furniture, it's exactly the same. So easy to assemble. Comes in 2 parts, 2 boxes. You've got left and right. You just assemble them and then bring them into the van. These are not fixed yet, as you see, they're all loose, so I've got to fix them to the floor. But before I do that, what I'm going to do, these can be painted, but I'm not going to. I've still got carpet left over from when I done the van here and there, so I'm going to put carpet on the front here, on the sides, same as front, and on this side here, and then foam top on this with a cover, so you've got a seating area, and at night the foam will fold right out and we'll have a proper area to sleep in. So not bad at all, and so really well pleased with this. Ordered it sort of Christmas time, in between Christmas and New Year, and it wasn't due to turn up till tomorrow, but it turned up on Friday, I think it was, when I was at work. So well pleased with that. Give me the time to get this done. But anyway, what I need to do now is get this covered, get it sealed or fixed to the floor so it don't go flying around, and then get the heater in. But that will be a quite longer video because I'm thinking of doing the complete build on that heater. I know quite a few people have done it, but I'd like to do one as well. Anyway, catch you soon.